Infinity is one of the Italian leader in gross porcelain large format slabs producer, and we define surfaces and we elevate the design experience. We belong to the Gruppo Concorde, which is the biggest Italian reality for manufacturing of ceramic, and we share with them new technologies, designs, heritage and quality. So here at Xenia, it's a very good touch point for us because we target the main clients here. So for example, our products can be applied for hoteliers, and so to elevate the customer experience for them, for architectural studios to use if they look for a more versatile and reliable product, and interior designer if they look for a high quality product. So the name of Infinity in general gives an idea of the application that we can give. Due to our thicknesses and our designs and structures, Infinity can have, as the name, infinite application, infinite environment in infinite projects. Regarding Xenia, we are very happy to be here and collaborate with RAVENNA, which is the biggest companies in the tiles and sanitary ware sector here in Greece. Our impression is very positive. We had a lot of touch points with hoteliers, architects and designers that came here, and they were actively reaching new products and new materials. So, to sum up our opinion, I would say 2025 Xenia, it's showing how the Greek hospitality market is ready to embrace Infinity product. It has really, let's say, solid and concrete business results. As I was saying before, we spoke to architect studios and designers for many projects, and we started to give information and technical specification. But besides that, and thanks to RAVENNA again, we are creating a pipeline for future projects that will allow Infinity to be present in the hospitality Greek market in the next months.